Namaskar dosto. Today we are diving into the demanding world of working on a cruise ship, where long hours and hard work are the norm. Have you ever wondered why it is really like to work 20 hours a day on a cruise ship? 20 hours? Let's uncover the truth behind the challenge and sacrifice that come with a job at sea. आज जानेंगे क्या ये सच्चाई है कि 20 घंटे काम होता है शिप पे रोज या 10 घंटे होता है. सो वर्किंग ऑन ए क्रूज शिप इज अ यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस दैट ऑफर ए मिक्स ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, adventure and hard work. While the idea of traveling to exotic destination and meeting new people sound appealing, the reality for many crew member is far from a vacation. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि वर्किंग ऑन ए क्रूज शिप इज लाइक ए वेकेशन, लेकिन रियलिटी वो नहीं है. उसके भी कुछ प्रो एंड कॉन हैं. सो आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम वो सब जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि रियलिटी क्या है. Cruise ship crew member often work long hours, sometimes up to 12 hours a day, with limited time off. Their work days can start only in the morning and extend late into the night, with little time for rest or relaxation in between. Tasks may include serving guests, maintaining the ship, cleaning cabin, and handling guest services, all while ensuring a seamless guest experience. ये सारी चीज़ साथ में आती हैं. It's not like working in a hotel, working on a cruise line is a bit different than anywhere else. The demanding nature of the work can take a toll on both the physical and mental well-being of crew member. Yes, it also take a toll on the mental well-being on member. The physically demanding tasks combined with the often stressful and fast-paced environment can lead to a exhaustion, fatigue and burnout. It always happens end of the day you feel like that you are dead. Crew member must navigate long hours on their feet. You have to stay whole day on your feet. There is no mercy in that. Changing work schedules that happen quite often and challenging work conditions while maintaining a high level of professionalism and guest services. कुछ भी हो जाए आपको एक हाई लेवल ऑफ प्रोफेशनलिज्म एंड गेस्ट सर्विस आपको मेंटेन करके चलना ही पड़ेगा. Living and working on a cruise ship means adapting to a unique lifestyle that include shared living cabin, limited personal space, and a work environment that never truly shut down. कभी भी बंद नहीं होता. There is always something going on. So crew member must find ways to balance work responsibilities with self-care, relaxation, and staying connected with a loved one back home. That's very important. Doesn't matter what happened. You have to find a way to calm you down. Whatever makes you happy, that's what you need to do. To cope with the challenge of working long hours on a cruise ship, crew member often rely on support system within their team, positive coping mechanism like exercise and having good hobbies, and finding moment of despite during their limited free time. It is essential for crew member to prioritize self-care, set boundaries, and seek help when needed to maintain their well-being. Doesn't matter how many hours you work, but it's important to look after yourself, because if you cannot look after yourself, you cannot look after a single guest. So working 10 to 12 hours a day on a cruise ship is undeniably tough and demanding. It requires resilience, dedication, and a strong work ethic to thrive in such an environment. While the experience can be rewarding and enriching, it's important to acknowledge the sacrifice and challenge that come with this job. That's very true. Working on a cruise ship is not easy, but it's also rewarding, but it's also very tough. So that's not true that you have to work 20 hours in a day. You work maximum 10 to 12 hours a day. So if you like this video, if you like my content, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos and more discussion on the realities of life at sea. See you in the next video. Thank you.